Okay, hello everybody. It's my first video. I wanted to put the two drones that I have here in this case. This is a big DeWalt case for a Sawzall, as you could see. So I bought a tactical hard rifle replacement foam. It's pre-cut foam. It's a pick and pluck, so you could pluck out and make spaces for the Mavic Mini. So as I did before, I plucked out all the foam pieces, but I put them back in so people can see what I did. So if you wanted to bring two Mavic drones with you, as opposed and put it into one case, then you could do it this way. I found it easier instead of lugging around a whole backpack, which I'll show later. A whole backpack with two Mavics, Mavic Mini 2 and a Mavic Air 2. So put the foam down here at the bottom, shaped it all out. So then, okay, I shaped it to the box nice. Everything's got a form on it. Everything's got a cutout hole for it. So I got the Mavic Mini, I got the Mavic Air 2 right here in this spot. I got the remote. Pulled up too many holes. Alright. I got the 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries for the Mavic Air and the Mavic Mini. I got that battery there, this remote here, and the Mavic Mini 2 goes there. Now for any extra little pieces, I made an extra hole there with some tools, and I could fit in there. And this closes. It's kind of snug, but it does do what it's supposed to do. And there you go. Okay, sorry everybody, I forgot to add this in, but here's the big backpack I was talking to you about. It's got one DJI drone. Also has another drone, but it's the Feeney XE S8 2020. So this is a monster. It weighs. That's why I needed the backpack. So now that I just have the case that I made with the two drones, I carry the whole all-in-one. I don't need the backpack anymore, and if I needed the Feeney, I can carry that as well. So that's the two drone packs and all the tools that I needed. Extra propellers in here, all the plugs, any extra tools that I might need. Filter lenses for the Mavic, LED lights if needed. And that's pretty much all you need in the case with all the extra batteries. You don't need a charger because you'd be charged up before you leave the house. But thank you. Any likes, comments, and please subscribe to my other videos. Thank you.